What's up, faceless family? Welcome to Tech Learners. Making YouTube shorts can be time-consuming and frustrating, am I right? Frustration mounts as creativity shrinks within tight time frames. We've got the ideal solution for you. In this video, we go into the world of simplified content creation using ChatGPT, Pictory, and 11 Labs. If you've ever struggled with the problem of tough and time-consuming ways to create exciting shorts, you're in for a treat. Make sure you subscribe, like and share the video and turn on the notification bell so that, anytime we publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, let's get into the specifics of effortlessly creating YouTube shorts. The journey starts with a simple yet essential step, writing a script. Here is where ChatGPT comes in. Consider prompting ChatGPT to offer you a list of 20 outstanding ideas targeted to your chosen niche, such as the ever-changing world of technology. Choose a topic from this list that speaks to you and piques your interest. Once you've decided on a topic, it's time to unleash the power of ChatGPT once more. Prompt it to write a concise and powerful 60-second script about your selected topic. Because YouTube Shorts live on brevity, the script should be brief, crisp, and straightforward. In fact, you can give it a prompt like write me a 200-word article about that's brief, crisp, and straightforward. With ChatGPT's assistance, you'll have a script that ensures you deliver your message successfully within the time constraints of a YouTube short. Now, before we move on, I know someone in the comments is going to ask this, so I'll address it here. Yes, you can make money from Google AdSense using videos created with AI. Yes, that includes AI voices. Yes, that includes GPT-written scripts, but you're going to want to add your own expertise to it because ChatGPT will confidently give you the wrong answer. And yes, the big YouTuber who told you that you can't was misinformed and is probably just a paid actor. The possibility of monetizing AI-powered YouTube content is endless. Once you've completed your script with ChatGPT, it's time to bring your words to life and turn them into an engaging video. Pictory comes in very handy here. Pictory is your go-to tool for this phase. The greatest part is that you can use it for free. Begin by creating an account, and you'll be ready for the visual storytelling journey. Pictory provides an easy-to-use platform for creating exciting visuals that match your narrative. With its plethora of capabilities at your disposal, you can create a visually beautiful YouTube short that catches attention and effectively conveys your message. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in conquering YouTube and unlocking a world of financial abundance, share the secret to success. When your script is finished, the next step is to integrate it with Pictory's script editor. While Pictory allows users to try the tool for free, your videos will be watermarked, and you'll be limited in how many videos you can create per month. If you want to create 30, 60, or even 90 videos per month and get rid of the watermark, I'd highly recommend you upgrade to a paid plan. It's quick and straightforward. Go to the script to video option on the left side of the screen and click proceed. Copy and paste the script that ChatGPT generated into the editor. Break the script into lines correlating to various scenes to give your YouTube short a dynamic visual flow. Pictory makes this simple. Go to the scene settings and enable the option for line breaks. This ingenious feature ensures that each line of your script is translated into a unique and entertaining scenario in your video. By using line breaks, you can keep the rhythm and speed of your short consistent, keeping your viewers engaged from start to finish. It's the ideal technique to tell a visually appealing story that supports your narrative and draws your audience in. After successfully breaking down your script into scenes, it's time to click proceed and move on to the next exciting phase. Select a template that matches your style and message. We recommend an aspect ratio of 9:16 for YouTube Shorts to maximize the viewing experience on mobile devices. Pictory begins creating a video storyboard after your template and aspect ratio are picked. Pictory takes your script and transforms it into scenes that exactly coincide with your narrative. Each created scene adds visual flair to your message, making your YouTube short as fascinating as it is educational. But we know that creativity is all about individualization. Don't worry if you're not completely satisfied with the scenes Pictory has created. You're in command. Navigate to the Visuals tab to handpick the scenes that best reflect your concept. With this level of freedom, you may create a video that matches your distinct storytelling style. We've all heard captions are essential for catching and holding your viewers' attention. You may change the text to ensure your message is heard clearly. Click on the words within your scenes to begin. You can adjust the color and even experiment with other font styles. This phase makes your text stand out and connect with the overall feel of your video. But here's a pro tip: consistency is essential. When you alter the wording, apply it to all of your scenes. This ensures a consistent and polished appearance throughout your YouTube short. After you've perfected your scenes, the next step is to add that extra layer of depth, voiceover. It's as simple as looking to the left and clicking on the Audio tab. You can explore a range of audio options for your YouTube short here in the Audio tab. You can choose what fits best. You can add background music to build the tone. You can also add a narrated voiceover to guide your viewers through your content. For our purposes, we're just going to add background music for now. Choose the music that best fits your message and attitude, and then watch as your short evolves into a multimedia experience. You can add a whole new layer to your video with only a few clicks, keeping your viewers captivated from start to finish. Of course, you want to add a voiceover that sounds natural and human. And this is when 11 Labs' Eye's ingenuity comes into play. This is the secret ingredient that adds realism to your voiceover. 11 Labs' technology provides a warmth and authenticity that resonates with your audience, making your YouTube short even more relatable and engaging. Join in, and we'll work on using the voice cloning feature. If you're wondering how a voice cloned by 11 Labs sounds, you've been listening to this entire video. This is a paid feature, and you'd have to upgrade to the $5 a month plan to clone your voice on 11 Labs. Until then, feel free to use their host of extremely high-quality free stock voices like Adam and Clyde. This is when things start to get interesting. With 11 Labs voices, you get a whole new level of audio customization. Click on Voice Design to make the voice in your YouTube short truly your own. You can fine-tune the voice to match your style and content best here. Activate the voice once you've got it sounding just right. It's similar to giving your audio that personal touch that distinguishes your work as distinctively yours. After you've perfected your primary voice, the next step is to effortlessly combine it with your content. This is when your script comes back into play. When you paste your script, ensure it corresponds with the pictory scenes you've made. This meticulous alignment guarantees that your voiceover perfectly matches the graphics, avoiding confusion or mismatch between what's spoken and what's seen. This attention to detail is essential for producing a unified and engaging YouTube short that captivates your viewers. Once you've perfected your main voiceover, the next step is to include it in your Pictory project. To begin, download the voiceover from 11 Labs. Return to Pictory, select the Audio tab, and go to My Uploads. This is where you'll drag your 11 Labs generated voiceover into Pictory. To ensure that your entire YouTube short is nicely narrated, check the box next to Entire Video. This step incorporates your voiceover throughout the video, creating a unified and captivating experience for your audience. Your YouTube short will now come to life with spectacular graphics and a narrative that guides and engages viewers from beginning to end, thanks to the seamless integration of your voiceover. Now that everything is in place, it's time to watch your creation come to life. Take a few moments to preview your YouTube short, watch it, absorb it, and ensure that everything looks and sounds as you imagined. When you're satisfied that your creation is flawless, it's time to share it with the rest of the world. Select Export to save your video in the popular MP4 format. This step guarantees that your material is easily shareable across multiple platforms. You are now only one click away from releasing your YouTube short to fascinate, inform, and entertain your audience. So hit that export button and prepare to take over the YouTube Shorts world with your magnificent production. Now let's talk about cost. There are other text-to-video platforms that mention free trials, but then expect that you pay to download. Pictory doesn't engage in those kinds of practices. Aside from the free plan, Pictory offers a standard, premium, and Teams plan. Pictory's free plan allows users to create 3 videos a month, up to an incredible 10 minutes long. The standard plan is $19 per month when paid annually and allows users to download 30 videos per month, or up to 10 minutes in length. You'll also get 10 hours of video transcription per month, access to 34 text-to-speech voices, and more. The premium plan costs $39 per month paid annually and offers double what the standard plan offers. Finally, the new Teams plan costs $99 a month paid annually and offers triple everything the standard plan offers, including 3 users per Teams account, as well as the ability to collaborate with your teammates. And there you have it, the procedure is simple. You're ready to leap into the realm of YouTube Shorts creation, armed with the power of ChatGPT, Pictory, and 11 Labs AI. You're now prepared to make YouTube Shorts that genuinely stand out, with your script turned into compelling scenes, your voiceover personalized to perfection, and your video polished and ready. So, take a bold step forward and begin your path to making each YouTube Short successful. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to join our Telegram channel so that you won't miss any new update. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you'll be notified as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.